Hi guys, today we are going to see how to activate Shopify payments. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. Today we are going to see how to activate Shopify payments. Go to Setting, then click on Payment. Here can see Activate Shopify payments. These are the Shopify payment gateways, not third-party providers. Shopify Payments is only available for stores based in the UK and US, not any other country. If your store's address is based in the UK, then Shopify allows this Shopify payment option. However, it's essential that store owners must be residents of the UK or US. Click on Activate Shopify Payments. Now click on Submit Details. Here you select your business type. Here, you need to submit some additional details about your business, such as address and description of your product and services. I'm providing just random details, but you can fill in the necessary information based on your available details. Now I'm entering a random social security number. You can put any 9 digits you prefer. Write some note about store services. If you have a phone number, you can add it. Now click on Submit for verification. Now go back and check. Here you can see that Shopify Payments has been successfully integrated into the store. Now you can receive payments from your customers through Shopify Payments gateways. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.